Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Explorer 31. If you've ever wondered how I make those cool realistic thumbnail images from my 3D models, well, I don't use Photoshop or any other app. It's all done inside Fusion 360 using the rendering workspace. In this video, I'll show you what rendering really means, how it works inside Fusion 360, and how you can use it to make your models look almost like real photos, even if you're just starting out. Rendering is the process of turning your basic 3D model into a realistic image. When you model something in Fusion 360, it's usually shown in a basic shaded style. But rendering takes that model and adds lighting, materials, shadows, and reflections, and creates a photorealistic image from it. It's like going from a plastic prototype to a studio photo shoot, but all inside your software. In Fusion 360, the render workspace is built right in. Just go to the top bar, click on the drop down where you normally see design, and select render. Now you're in the rendering workspace. Here you can change how your model looks. Apply materials like aluminum, glass, plastic, even wood. You can also adjust the scene, like changing the environment, lighting, or the background. You can rotate the model to your favorite angle, zoom in or out, and even adjust the camera settings. This is super useful for creating thumbnail images or presentation shots. Once you're happy with the look, just click Render in the toolbar. Fusion gives you two options, in-canvas render S for a quick preview, or cloud render, which creates a high-quality image and saves it to your Fusion account. I personally use the rendered image from Fusion 360 for my YouTube thumbnails. I position my model at the best angle, render it, and save it as a PNG or PIG, then I just drop it into my thumbnail design. So if you're already using Fusion 360, don't skip the rendering feature. It's one of the easiest ways to turn your 3D model into something stunning and professional. Try it out on your next design and see the difference. And hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Explorer 31 and comment below. Have you ever tried rendering your model before?